So today I'll be showing you how to use the camera timer on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Now you might want to use a camera timer if you're taking photos of yourself or in a group which you're included. So to activate the timer, what you need to do is simply launch the camera app. It will either be on the main camera or on the selfie camera, doesn't really matter. What you want to do to activate the timer is to tap on this little arrow here. Okay, so as soon as you tap on that, it's going to be this menu that will appear at the bottom. And this is actually a scrollable menu. So if you scroll, you should see the timer icon. And this is it, that's what it looks like. So if you tap on it, you can see by default the timer is off. So you can either enable a 3-second timer, a 5-second timer, or a 10-second timer. So depending on what you want, let's for instance use a 5-second timer. So once you select that, whenever you press the shutter button, it's gonna count. You can see the counter here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it takes the photo. Same goes for the main camera. Just tap on the shutter button. It's gonna give you the countdown, and then it's gonna take the photo. So that is basically how to use the camera timer on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Should be very useful in case you want to set your phone on a tripod and maybe take photos of yourself or a group of people for which you're part of. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and even subscribe for more tips. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try to get back to you. Good luck, guys.